Those two.
I'm firing up the GoPros for another flight in the Arrow. Buckle up, it's going to be a bit of a bumpy ride.
Keep up!
Golf Romeo uniform, Alpha 1 ready for departure.
Golf Romeo uniform, runway 25, take off at your discretion, surface wind 340 degrees, 20 knots, gusting 28.
Yep, let's go.
We're departing Blackbushe in Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, and this is my first solo flight in the Arrow.
55, 60, very eager to go. Here we go. 80. Yeah, it's quite gusty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty bumpy. There we go, smooth.
So we're clear of the runway, tap the brakes, gear coming up.
Having only just completed my differences training in the Arrow, I have quite a lot of new things to remember.
Alright, come back to 25. 25, forgot that bit.
Lovely.
That's why we were a little bit fast.
Right, help penetrate those bumps a bit.
For the last 3 years I've been flying Golf Oscar Romeo. Some habits are hard to break.
Golf Oscar Romeo's left the ATZ to the north, passing through altitude 2,000 feet, changing frequency now to Farnborough 125.250.
Romeo uniform, Roger 2, Farnborough, CC.
Golf Romeo uniform. I think I said Oscar Romeo. I think I did.
I didn't, to be fair, I didn't listen.
Level off here. Farnborough radar, Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, request basic service.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, Farnborough radar, passing message.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, PA28, Blackbushe to Turweston, VFR, 4 miles northwest of Blackbushe, altitude 2,100 feet, 1002, routing direct, request basic service.
Golf Romeo uniform, Farnborough QNH 1002, squawk 0430, basic service.
1002, squawk 0430, basic service, Golf Romeo uniform.
Ooh.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
God, that was a heavy bit of turbulence, that.
That was, wasn't it?
That's unsettled me a bit, that turbulence, because that was almost, felt like I'd lost it.
It was a big boom,
It was a
wasn't
very
it?
big one.
Slightly off track to the right, I think.
Got a bit of, taking the power back a bit.
What's the manoeuvring speed on this?
It's 107, I think.
Nice view of Heathrow.
Yeah.
And White Waltham.
Don't worry about, don't tell me you can see Heathrow.
Yeah, it's just down there.
Just so this is my second flight in the Arrow, my first solo flight. Sam has agreed to come along with me, and it's quite a turbulent day. And the funny thing is, you join a new group and you're flying a new aircraft, and suddenly everything is a lot harder because things aren't where you expect them to be, and it's quite turbulent and unpleasant at the same time. We were going to put some heat on, weren't we?
Yeah, my feet are freezing.
Yeah, let's put.
For me to do it?
Yeah, it's the top one, isn't it? Actually?
Yeah. Heater is on middle. Do you want it on all the way, or?
Let's try middle before we roast ourselves.
Middle?
See if that fixes it.
Golf Romeo uniform, report your squawk now to Farnborough radar 132.8. We can go direct onto Bryce 124275. Just let me know which.
Golf Romeo uniform, changing frequency to north 132.8 and reporting our squawk to them. Golf Romeo uniform.
Golf Romeo uniform, roger.
It's north on there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Would you pop
Turweston.
Turweston, yeah.
Yeah, we'll go.
Farnborough radar, Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform 2,300 feet, 1002, squawking 0430.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, Farnborough radar, good afternoon. Have your details. Squawk 5020, basic service, London QNH is 1002.
Squawk 5020, basic service, QNH 1002, Golf Romeo uniform. I'm literally flying this like a warrior. I'm down to 100, I've got it down to 100 minutes.
Yeah. We should have just taken the 152.
It's just because of the blooming bumps, that's all. And it's funny setting power and not hearing the RPMs go up.
Yeah.
That is a weird thing to get used to. Turweston Radio, good afternoon. Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, inbound from the southeast. Request aerodrome information.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, Roger. Joining for runway 27 right hand. The QFE is 988.
27 right hand, 988 QFE, Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform.
You nearly said it.
Yep. I've rested. Did you see how I saved it?
Yeah, it was very, very good.
So we'll do our free to check. Fuel is on. Mixture is rich. Radio's tuned. Fuel pump is on. Landing light is on. Direction indicator 2 is 343. I'll take it. And altimeters, we can put QFE in, which is 988. I'll put that on mine. Keep that on QNH.
That. Yeah, 1002.
988. And we want to be over the threshold at 1,000.
Wind check 300 degrees, 18 knots.
Wind copy, one air Bravo.
What was it, 300?
300, so
18
yeah, about
knots.
9 knots.
Okay, we're below 129, so I'm going to put the gear down now. Slow us down.
3 greens.
3 greens, confirmed.
That's the most important bit done.
Yeah. We can switch off now. See anything joining downwind? Oh. Good. Do my downwind checks here. So brakes, undercarriage is down 3 greens. Mixture is rich. Fuel pump is on. We're going to switch to the left tank. And fuel pressure is holding. Engine temperatures and pressures are in the green. Direction indicator aligned. Altimeter is on QFE, which is 988. Golf at Romeo uniform, turning right hand downwind to 7 to land.
Roger.
Just put the runway heading in there, 27.
Cracking view of Silverstone now, John.
Yeah, isn't that? Sorry. Runway. Okay, we won't rush this approach, we'll come in quite long, I think. Obviously won't fly over Silverstone, we'll probably turn base about now. Sorry.
It's alright. I missed it. Missed my opportunity, I'll get it on departure. No, it's fine. Main thing is...
Good, good. Loser forward, got Romeo uniform, base leg, 27 to land.
What's the approach speed similar to?
Roger.
80 on, don't go over that farm. Approach speed is 80 with flat plus.
Yeah.
Romeo uniform, final 27 to land.
Romeo uniform, Roger. Surface wind 300 degrees, 17 knots. Recent gusts in excess of 20.
Romeo uniform.
This approach into Turweston was really difficult. There was so much turbulence, it was very hard maintaining a constant speed and rate of descent. The cameras really don't convey how bad it really was. I was so consumed I forgot my final reds, blues and greens check.
A lot of sync there.
Oh, Delta overhead.
Delta.
hard, but
well done.
we're down. Oh, that was lively, wasn't it?
Well done. Good job. Very well done.
Oh, well, mate.
Yeah, well done indeed.
Golf Romeo uniform taxiing to parking.
Uniform Roger, parking on the left next to the two archers, please.
Roger, runway vacated.
Well done. Right.
Okay, transponder to standby or off.
Off. Do the rest in a minute.
Okay, we'll just pause here. Turn you off. Turn you off, you're off.
That's off.
You're set. Okay, I'm actually shaking. That was a lot to handle. You can see how windy it is here. My knees are still knocking, Sam. You know, new airplane, gusty day. You know, perhaps I was a bit foolish to try and... when I did my check ride, it was gusty like this, and it was fine. But today, gosh, it's really hard work. But we got it down nice and safely. Forgot to do my reds, blues and greens on final approach. I mean, we checked that the gear was down about 9 times prior to that, but I need to get into the habit of that reds, blues and greens on final. It's crucial, so it's just getting into the, you know, the practice of that. But that's what these videos are for, to highlight where I've gone wrong, and it reminds me then to do it right. Right, let's go and have something to drink. Unfortunately, it'd have to be something soft and non-alcoholic, but I could really do with something a bit stronger.
I was genuinely shaken up, but I was right as rain again after a relaxing lunch in the Turweston cafe.
Roger.
The return flight to Blackbushe was no easier. An alternator warning light meant we flew back with the gear down. That is a bonus video only available to my paying supporters now. Sign up on my website. Until next time, fly safely, my friends.